Welcome to another video in which we're going to be sharing some important key exam preparation tips. If you are a student going to embark on an exam anytime soon, you should definitely keep these things in mind because they will surely support you along the way. Now, without further ado, let's just simply get right to the exam preparation tips. Now, tip number one would be study ahead of time. Many students, they tend to wait for the last minute to start studying for an exam. Now, I keep on emphasizing this. No matter how smart you are, your brain has a certain ability to absorb information at a certain period of time. If you cram and try to add a lot of information to your brain at a short period of time, some of the information is going to stick, but the other piece of information is going to just simply bounce off. So how can we solve this problem? Study at least 1 to 2 weeks ahead of time in order to help you retain the information better. This is tip number one. Now, tip number two would be break down the material into small chunks. If you do have 10 chapters or 5 chapters for the exam, it wouldn't be a smart move to study all of them in 1 to 2 days. Why not break it all over 5, 6, 7, 8 days where you study 1 to 2 chapters per day? That will be easier for your brain to remember, that will be less stressful for you, and that will provide you with time to do step number 3. Always write some notes about the questions or the stuff that you didn't understand from the lesson. Once you do so, go back to your teacher, to your professor, to the lecturer, and ask them to clarify these points for you. By doing so, you'll be able to understand the information better, you will be able to retain the information better, and you will be able to remember the information better. Now, tip number 4, try to sleep properly before your exam and avoid staying up late studying all night as if this will help you get better grades. Let me break it to you. Scientifically, it has been proven last-minute studying that hard the day before the exam could actually be counterproductive. It could ruin your efforts in terms of getting high grades. What you need quality sleep because your brain will process the information, will retain the information, and arrange them in a way for you to access them easier. Especially when you are stressed in the exam, you don't want to be sitting down, tired, exhausted, and your brain is not able to brush up on the information. And for the final tip that we have, hydrate and eat well. Have some omega-3s food, let's say, some nuts, some fish, have a nutritious diet, drink plenty of water, keep your body hydrated because this will help you stay fresh and rejuvenated as you prepare for your exam, because we truly understand that this is quite a stressful period for you. You have many subjects that you need to take into account, but diet and health are always way more important than anything else. Now, on that note, we're going to be leaving you off. Make sure that you join our community by smashing that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the upcoming video.